Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's AMarkets YouTube channel. AMarkets, your online broker and your guide in the successful affiliate business. Today, my guest is Mr. Wesley Ajomiwe, a leader of Wesley FX Academy and MacJoms Enterprises from Abia State, Nigeria. It's one of our successful partners, and today he's going to share his secrets, his success story, and invite you guys to start trading and earning money with Wesley FX Academy. Hello, Mr. Wesley. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing great, and you?
I'm fine, thanks. Great day today. Gonna speak about making money. I guess Wesley FX Academy is one of the most promising projects in the Nigerian market right now. And I'd like to give you a word so you could present the company, present yourself to the audience of AMarkets all over the world. So please, Mr. Wesley.
All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Wesley, as he said, the owner of Wesley Forex. So Wesley Forex now it's a forex trading company that is aimed at creating profitable traders around the world. Now, the vision of Wesley Forex is bent on three things, which is creating profitable traders around the world, helping people, and showing people how to make income. That is giving various streams of income to every individual out there. So now the company presently we're working on establishing those sectors I talked about on the different income streams. But presently now we're mainly into forex trading. And the forex trading we're actually talking about now is trading the synthetic pairs mostly, but we also trade the currency market and the cryptocurrencies also.
Great. Can you tell us about your story, how you started as a trader, and when was the company founded? Just a little flashback and some words about the company itself.
All right. Now I started trading, or I got to know about forex when I was still in my secondary school. I think 2 years before I was supposed to leave, if not mistaken. So I heard about forex, and then I became so interested in it because at that point in time I was so broke and I needed a way of making money. And I am not actually somebody who is so good with convincing people to do things. So I needed a way I could just make money by myself, not needing to talk to anybody or going around looking for somebody to do this and that. So I came to know about forex, and then actually now my forex I am self-taught. I didn't also have the money to register for any academy or any trading institute at that point, so I had to teach myself forex. So I started with the basics, and it's been slow and steady. I started teaching myself forex, and I think after a year or two I was able to analyze the market well. Okay, after a year, yes, I was able to analyze the market well. My technical analysis skill improved greatly. So at that point in time now I needed to start interacting with other traders around the world. And then from there I started learning one or two things. The psychology came in. I started training my mental health. I started actually making sure my mental health was okay for trading. So the psychology aspect also I tried to grow it, and then my trading improved compared to when I actually started forex. Knowing that no one exactly taught me forex, I actually taught myself the greater part of it, and then that is actually how I got to know about forex.
That's great. And I believe that your own approach brought you to starting your company, starting a Forex related business. Can you tell us some words about that? So when your trading activity becomes something more than just you and the broker and you in the market, when you start spreading your knowledge and inviting other people to join?
Okay, now due to the kind of stress I went through learning forex all by myself, it was not easy. A lot of depression came because you're gonna meet this mentor of yours, tell him this, that, but his class is way too costly for you at that time. You understand? So I am not actually saying the class was bad. It's just that I didn't have the money to afford it at that time. So it was a pain to me. So now I was like, okay, I'm going to start up a company, and then the company is aimed at helping people. The slogan now for this company is actually the beginner's plug. So if you're a beginner in forex trading, we are going to help you. We are aimed at bringing up people from the roots. You understand? Because starting forex when you are broke, like completely broke, is not easy. It's not really easy. That is the plain truth. So due to the stress I went through, I don't want people to go through that same stress. I don't want people out there, I don't want anybody I come across that is into forex to go through that same stress. That is why sometimes I might be at work working, and then people come to ask questions, even about my own personal trading strategies that I do not share. It's a secret. But when you ask personally, I can tell you this. I'll tell you some secrets about the market, or some knowledge that you can't really get elsewhere. I'm going to tell you things that I have discovered myself, my own knowledge. So I share it to people just to help, so you don't go through too much stress. Because Forex was never meant to hurt anybody.
That's really wise thoughts, and I guess like your own experience helped you to show your clients what mistakes you've done at the really beginning, and what psychology, maybe some psychology problems, psychology issues novice traders have when they start trading. That's a really important thing. And so you started as a physical trainer, or you started your online class? Can you tell us about it?
Okay, I started with online classes. But before that, I already started teaching people around me Forex. I started teaching my friends at school. I started teaching people who came around me. I'll be like, hey, have you heard about this? It's quite a good way to make good money. It's legal. It's not really stressful if you follow the procedures, and over time it's something that lasts. You can do Forex till even the day you die. You can actually treat Forex as your own business. You don't need to work under the government, do this, do that, the 9 to 5 job, you know. So I started teaching people about Forex, and then the zeal to teach actually came in, and I love teaching. So I had to go and then meet people around the world that would like, whoa, Wesley, I like the way you treat. Can you teach me? Can you do this? And then I started teaching online.
Okay. And so,
And now following that, Wesley Forex is also an academy. We also teach people via the company, because not everybody can travel down to Nigeria for the classes. Understand? So Zoom has made it easier for us to connect with everybody around the world.
okay, okay. And so, if these are individual classes, or you have some kind of webinars where you uh, bring like a number of students and give them some education online, or it's like more individual classes?
I also host individual classes, because the individual difference sometimes is, I don't know. So some people prefer you teaching them alone, so that they can ask you any kind of question they want to ask you, and be so clear about whatsoever they are looking at on the screen. So some actually, like, presently I have a man, I think I have someone I'm teaching privately, because he's actually attended the group class, and then he was not just okay with what he learned there. He was like, he wants to learn more, so he had to go for the private class. So in the private class, you are opportune to ask me whatever question it is you want to ask. But in the group class, assuming we're 200 in a chat, you alone can't just be asking me question every time. You won't expect me to answer all your questions, because not only you has questions to ask. So I also teach individually, and I teach group a group of people also.
Okay. Is it a website, or is it like a Telegram channel? What online resource do you use to attract new traders, to maybe post some interesting reviews or information? Is it only like Telegram right now, or you use some different methods?
Okay, right now we have just Telegram and my personal line on WhatsApp. So we have the Telegram channel and the YouTube, exactly. So that is just where right now the company has no website. We've been working on that, because we've been working seriously on creating a website. But for now, like as we speak now, it's just the Telegram, the YouTube, and WhatsApp,
Okay. Okay.
and then my Instagram also.
Okay, I guess like these are the most convenient and popular methods to share the information, because I've seen your Telegram channel. It's really a good one, and I would like to invite everyone to join the Telegram channel of Wesley FX Academy. We will place all the links below the video. Really interesting
All right.
trading ideas and really interesting offers. So I believe it's a good way to promote the services. You mentioned about the trading till the day you die. I just seen this funny picture with a person in the hospital and just covered
Trading.
with doctors around and holding his phone with the MetaTrader installed and trading. Keep trading. Yeah, that's a good. That's
Yeah,
what forex trading gives us. It's like a passion and something you cannot just leave.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I don't actually mean you're gonna trade that much. Sometimes when you trade too much, it becomes an addiction. You understand? So you can just trade for like 10, 15 years. You've raised enough funds, you invest, and then you just go and rest and enjoy your money. It's that you don't need to trade and keep making money till the day you know. No, no, no. That's not what I mean. What I actually meant was that Forex can actually last you a long time. It can actually last you a lifetime. You understand?
Yes, that yeah,
That's
I
what I
got it.
mean.
Of course, I got it. Just kidding. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
so talking about the company's products, I've seen that there is some kind of a VIP, VIP premium package and VIP premium access. Can you tell us about it? What do the premium and VIP clients get in comparison with the regular people who are subscribed to your channel?
All right. So right now, on the free channel, I update free things. I just give them free signals, free analysis. Mostly, I share my analysis to everybody, so they can learn from it. They can learn from it because analysis or seeing people's analysis is one of the things that helped me uh in my technical analysis. So on the free channel now, I share the free signals, free analysis, and once in a while also we host Zoom classes to teach free. But in the VIP now, they get more of the signals. On the VIP, I might send maybe 5 signals, and then in the free channel, I'm just going to send 2 signals. Understand? So the VIP now, those are paid members. They're paid to join the inner cycle. So they get more of the signals, more of the analysis, more of the teachings, more of the Zoom classes because they actually paid for it. They paid to get there. So they need like premium information.
Yes, that's what I was asking about. Yes, so because like I believe that the individual approach with this extra information can help these traders to achieve more results. Can you please give me an example of like one of your student success stories? Like what was the first deposit your client started with, and what was his like result in some time, just to show our audience that it's worth joining the Wesley FX Academy and getting a premium VIP access.
All right, now talking about students who are actually doing well, I actually taught this person, and he's actually a young guy also, just like myself. So I taught him, and then okay, I'm just going to tell you stories about two out of many, two out of many. Now the first one was actually he met me online. He was like he's having problem analyzing the market. He doesn't know how to do this, how to do that, and then I was like okay, and I am going to teach you what I know because I don't want you to go through all the stress I went through. Same thing I said before. So I taught him how to trade. I taught him how to analyze the market first. Then we went with risk management. We went with the entry strategies. We went with all those markets, sentiment, and all those things. Understanding the market generally. So I think after I taught him for like a month or two, I didn't see him online, or we were not just chatting regularly. And then the next time I saw him, he just poop. I just saw his results. I was like, wow, you're doing great, man. It was like, thank you, boss. Thank you, mentor. All those kind of thank you things. You understand? So the second person now, he's actually younger than I am. He was like, what are you always doing on the system? What is this bars I'm seeing? And all this kind of, they are looking weird. Are you playing a game? I told him, no, it's not a game. This is trading. was like, okay, he's interested. So I started teaching him, and he's also a fast learner. So I started teaching him. He opened the demo. He started trading demo, and then wow, now he's milking the market. Seriously, he's milking the market. He trades pairs that, now personally I trade just 3 or 4 pairs, but he explores all the pairs. He explores most of them, not really all. He explores most of the pairs, and he's doing great. His results are amazing. He'll be like, whoa, I made this amount this week. I made this next week. I'll be like, yo, man, take it easy. You understand? So it's great. And then I also have a classmate of mine that is doing currencies. So I taught him from the basics to technical analysis. Sometimes he sends me his analysis of like, no, it's wrong here. Do this, do that. Okay. Or sometimes he analyzes the market when he was actually still learning. He analyzes the market and sends it to me. I'm like, Wesley, I'm expecting a buy on Euro, USD. Or like, no, that breakout is more like a fake breakout. Wait for this and this before you take entries. So he'll be like, okay, after an hour or two, he come back. What you said was true. It was actually a fake breakout. Now the market reversed, and he learns, and gradually he's doing amazing now. And I've taught people a lot of things. I've taught people synthetic currency. I've taught cryptocurrencies. Now at the cryptocurrencies aspect now, there are many. So they are just doing good technical analysis and everything. They are doing amazing with the market, both fundamental analysis for the cryptocurrencies. And I'm talking about the Signal VIP now. The results are on my Telegram channel with the signals. Sometimes you see people double their accounts. People are just making money. Just making money. Yeah. So you see a 40% in a week. Some do 100, some do a 200% in 2 days. And it's just amazing.
Yeah, that's what we wanted to hear from you, Mr. Wesley. The numbers, because 200% in a week is it's really something inspiring. Okay, I'm thinking about joining your group myself actually after this interview. So great thing. Like many of our traders right now are thinking about starting trading forex, but they don't have they don't have big money. They have just like $100 or $200. Is it something that a trader from Nigeria can start with to grow his account and to do these results like 40 or 100% in a week? Is it possible for the traders who have this amount of money and your VIP premium access? Can they do that?
Okay, now trading forex with like $100 and $200, yo, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just that if you want to make big money from the market, you want to make a huge amount of money, then you need to deposit a big amount of money or a huge amount of money. Because doing this, it means you're actually trading with risk management. But you want to make 1K USD and then you depositing 100 USD, and you want to make 1K in 2 days. It means you are actually gonna risk almost everything in your account. You're risking the whole 100 USD, because there is no way, or it's almost impossible to make 1K USD using 100 USD in just 2 days using proper risk management. So it's almost impossible. So if actually you started forex with 100 or $200, it's possible. It's not bad anyway. You just need to set your targets and put your risk management in place. At least making 10, 20, or 30% in a week when you see the opportunity is not bad. Sometimes you can make it in a day, sometimes you make it in 2 days, sometimes you make it in 2 weeks, depending on the market condition. So it's not bad anyway.
Okay. That's great. That's what we wanted to hear. So, and the last thing we wanted to talk about, our broker AMarkets gives a huge diversity of different assets. You were talking about the example of one of your traders exploring different assets, exploring different pairs. We have more than 250 different pairs. So, dear traders, you can explore the market together with our company and together with Wesley FX Academy as a signal provider and training and educational provider for you. So we wanted to announce some kind of an offer, limited offer for our clients that could join Wesley FX Academy. And I believe that Mr. Wesley can announce it. I'm talking about the VIP access for a opening deposit in AMarkets.
Okay. Now, for those who or individuals who are going to register under AMarkets broker with my link now, once you register, you send me a screenshot. I am going to add you to the VIP where you get analysis of the market. And then I'm also going to send you premium materials that will help you trade the currency market. Now I have those premium materials that before you can actually get access to them, you need to pay. But I'm just going to send it to you for free. I'm going to send it to you for free, both the materials, the PDFs, and everything you need to know. And then we might also, we are also going to hold a Zoom meeting in case you're having problem with anything in the market. Maybe you're having problem with technical analysis, you don't know candlestick stuffs, like you're just having issue with your trading. You tell me, we're going to host a Zoom class together, and then we'll try our best to see how we can take you out of that level and pushing you into the next level of your trading.
Okay, guys, it's a great opportunity to get the premium access and to get the premium materials and signals, because like regularly you need to bring some money to fund the broker and bring some money to pay the premium access. But right now, only for the subscribers of Mr. Wesley Academy and only for the traders who start with AMarkets using Mr. Wesley's link, it's a great thing to start with all these premiums only for your deposit. So don't miss a chance. It's a limited offer. We will place all the information below, and you're welcome to join. You're welcome to contact Mr. Wesley with the screenshot of you joining the AMarkets company, and we'll be happy to see you among the VIP traders at Wesley FX Academy. So great, Mr. Wesley, thanks for your time. I believe that it's not the last meeting. I guess like a lot of new products, a lot of new offers coming from Wesley FX Academy soon. So we'll be happy to promote it and to show them to AMarkets audience all around the world. So thank you very much, Mr. Wesley. Thank you, and see you on our channel. Dear traders, see you on the next videos. Thank you very much.